the floor. Get on something high, quick. No, we're not, baby. It's okay.
I'm gonna walk forward into death.
Did we just win?
Yeah.
The fire's gone. What is happening?
Mom,
Baby!
shut up.
What? I just saved you from lava. Shh. Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick up.
Hi guys, we are making video.
Hello? Who's there?
It's no one.
Time to die.
Hey Mama.
Hey guys. I'm glad you picked up.
Mama.
Oh my goodness, it's... Sorry, Kelly. Something terrible is happening on this plane.
Mommy.
You don't say.
Mommy.
Shut up! I'm trying to speak to Kelly.
Mommy.
I can't hear you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Come on, come to the pilot cabin. The problem? Shut up! I will literally kill you.
Mommy, I want the gun.
Get closer while I do that, but be careful. Why? The monster might still be around. I'm scared about that.
Where's your shotgun? Wait, that's the best day ever.
I think we're here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where is he gonna spawn?
Mama, you will die. You will die.
Okay, guys, if we do die, we're gonna have to end the video there. But... Is he there? Ah! Okay, I'll lead him this way, baby. Bring him towards me, okay?
I don't know where you are. He's coming after me.
We have to survive for 40 more seconds. Baby. AJ, come up here. 28 more seconds. Come on. Hey! Baby! Run around! Come on, baby! Ah. Baby, come on! Come on! Only 10 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Did you survive? Baby! Mama took the hit for you. Oh my goodness.
Give me the gun. Give me the gun.
Okay. Kelly, I hate you so freaking much.
Why can't you get it open faster?
How about you? What is going on? How about you just get up in there and just drive the plane with Kelly, okay?
Okay, Mama.
We saw that monster again.
I mean, look, can I actually have the gun? I want to shoot the monster.
I don't know. Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here. I'm down to low HP. I think we're like the same exact thing. It made you come here again.
Wait, Rock is trying to help.
I knew there was something wrong here. Just staring out. Look, are you starting to calm down a little bit?
I'm gonna have the gun and I'm gonna shoot him.
No. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. What did your dad do in the past? He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. And then he met Chloe, and then we had a baby, and then it turned into a demon.
Yeah, okay, that makes more sense, but doesn't make any sense.
And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. He liked to read news about plane crashes. That's weird.
Oh, that thing's fun.
No.
Mm-hmm.
So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys, but he blames you for his death. a story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president. But I'm not sure
Mama, do
yet.
you gun already?
I don't know. I might be able to get the gun.
No, I want it.
Take this gun.
I will.
I want the gun.
No,
You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him.
I'm clicking on and on. My gun.
So who's taking the gun? Me.
No,
Me.
Mama.
I'm the
I
mom.
have more experience than you.
No!
Mama, I can imitate, so I know which one is the demon. So you can shut up.
It's the agent, baby. It's the agent.
Mama, shut up.
It
I
is
know
the
who it
agent.
is. I already know who it is.
Really? It is the agent. It's the agent.
Stop, Mama.
It's the agent. Baby, it's the agent. It's the agent. It's the agent. It's the agent.
Shut up, I know who it
It is the agent.
is. Stop confusing me.
It's the agent.
Stop, you're confusing me.
You are making a huge mistake.
Stop.
We are not monsters.
You're a monster, shut up.
It's the agent. Shoot the agent.
Die! Die! Ah! Blood!
Who did you shoot, baby?
I shoot Daddy!
Oh my god!
Daddy, let me eat your blood! I'm a vampire.
Ah, what is that? It's the monster, Mr. President.
Let me eat this. Yum. Yummy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's been haunting us since the first trip. It tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us.
Shut up. You're even more of a
That is
deadhead
crazy.
than
Thank you for
You know,
saving
I'm
my
gonna
life.
shoot you too.
Congratulations,
I'm gonna shoot
passengers.
you too, Mommy.
You saved the day once again.
Mama, if you don't shut up, I'm gonna shoot you.
Okay, I'll hide behind the desk.
I'm gonna shoot the president.
That was so scary. Let's go home, baby.
Die, president!
At least it's finally gone now. Or is it? Finally gone.
Good ending.
Yeah, we got the good ending.
Because the red end, it would be, if it was bad ending, it would be red.
Okay, so I love you guys so much. Bye, my flowers.
Bye, Sally.